Press to the right.
Carrie.
I never know much.
I don't even know how to.
It's hard.
This is hard.
When I'm only 20 years older than her.
Yeah, you guys could correct. You guys could go ahead and correct the make 5 words out of the name Annabelle. If they put repeat words or words that are not words,
What about names? Does names count?
make 5 words out of the
Words.
name.
Words.
Names are words.
Holy shit.
But it's not words.
Anna went to the store. Anna
Yeah, pale is very pale.
No, but pale.
Who's that next time?
No, that's the last name.
Then Belle.
Wait. Pick a cotton bale. Bale, cotton, yeah.
Names didn't count then.
The point is, it's a race.
Hurry up. Okay, we have to put CB by your name, okay?
Uh-oh, Levi's going outdoor. Outside.
Okay,
Correct, goodbye. Okay,
Are
first
you
one.
guys-
I have paper.
you guys are done with the 5 words? Word, Princess
So
has
does
the
names count or don't count?
Does it? It does not count.
You should have set up before.
It says words. It clearly says words on there, not names. Yeah, I said make 5 words or 5 words. Male. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get that far.
Oh yeah, we forgot. She got English.
这个近视 for my pants.
Still doing the math problem.
And you can do
Okay.
BTS concert or got sex.
Levi.
I know what the Simple B. Okay, what's the bet? You guys didn't get it. Okay, would Annabelle rather meet 21CL or Chinese Minho? It's CL.
Their band broke up. I'd rather see CL.
Okay.
Stupid, man.
Well,
Maybe I was thinking about leaving her.
Okay, next one. Would Annabelle rather drink Pepsi or Coke?
Did I get any right?
Spell Annabelle backwards. Is that right? It's LEBANNA.
Banana.
You guys got it? Labana? Everybody got it? Okay.
Sing.
Minus 25 plus
I thought it was a plus. I put
It's 2023.
I think Nancy won.
I messed up.
2023.
If you put it, the person
Number